The first step in swapping out an I/O board in our popular UEI cube is unplugging all the cables. You'll also want to take out the SD card if you haven't installed. Next, let's remove all the screws and jack screws on the faceplate. Once they're removed, take the faceplate off, and you'll remove the stack of I/O boards from the cube housing. Please note the exposed pins located on the bottom of the lowest board. Before adding your new I/O board, you'll have to configure 4 jumpers to ensure that the I/O board is visible to the CPU. There's an online field installation manual which covers how to set the jumpers properly, and we also have a video on the topic on our website. Once you've set the jumpers, gently push the new board into place, making sure not to bend any of the pins. Now insert the I/O board stack into the cube housing, aligning the I/O boards with the rails on the inside. Before you screw everything back in place, now's the time to test the jumpers that you've set. You can do this by connecting the power, and through a serial terminal, you can type DevTable, DEV-TBL. That will give you a list of I/O boards that are visible to the system. Alternately, you can connect an Ethernet cable and use PowerDNA Explorer. Once you've verified that all the I/O boards in the system are visible, you can unplug the power cable, attach the faceplate, and reinstall all the screws. But please make sure the reset button is free and clear to move as you tighten down the faceplate. Congratulations! You've just updated your UEI cube with a new I/O board. You can find out more about adding and replacing I/O boards in our online instructions entitled PowerDNA Field Installation.